My name is Sunil Jose. I run the Oracle applications business in India, and today we're talking about predominantly what we're doing in the government and in the marketplace. Predominantly we're talking about our iGovernment solution and the offerings which we have for when we look at the marketplace in India. When we look at the last few years, the government has been talking about a whole lot of things, pretty much which is around citizen-centric. The Vision 2020 program, the Land Reforms Act, we're talking about the treasuries, E-Panchayat, all that is predominantly talking about how people in this country could probably be more benefited from some of the reforms and some of the areas where technology can help some of these people to probably enrich their life. And today we're talking about predominantly around those areas and the Oracle solutions which we have in offer. So as an organization, what we provide is technology. We provide technology to help government, whether it's state or central, to allow citizens to probably be benefited from all the act reforms or enhancements which the government is working about. So be it even consolidation of probably allowing anybody to look at even applying passports online, getting that benefited, driving licenses, to the unique identification program. All these are aspects which require heavy amount of technology from a consolidation perspective, or even for the government to enhance the data or the database which they're going to build for the citizens in this country. And that's exactly, as an organization, we provide that technology, and we've been very successful globally, and that's exactly what we are doing in the marketplace in India too. So we're working with the government on a whole lot of projects. There have been fair bit of traction in every large project when we see in the marketplace. So as I said, you know, the range which we provide, the technology stack which we provide, right from subsystems, which is storage, servers, database, infrastructure technology, middleware, applications, horizontal and vertical, we have enough which we can go back to the government and provide today on. Thank you very much.